I know that I'm graying, but that doesn't mean you start calling me an uncle. Come on. So because my previous video on how to learn coding at 37 got such an active response, I thought to do a follow-up video on the programming languages that I'm trying to learn to meet my goals. Not gonna lie, I actually Googled this morning on how to stay sane while learning 5 programming languages. Anxiety. So because I want to make web applications, the programming languages that I thought I would learn first are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is already done. It can be finished off in a week. It's quite easy, which is good because the instant gratification. I know HTML. I am a programmer.
0.0001% programmer.
Who am I kidding? HTML is not even a coding language, but it is absolutely necessary to make web applications. There's no way that we can go around it. So not only did I manage to finish HTML in a week, but I also managed to create a basic web page of a talent agency company. It's called Aura Talent Agency, and it's equipped with images, videos, audio loops, links, ordered list, unordered list, page breaks, etc. And I also managed to create a full tutorial on it, which is free on Udemy right now. It already has more than 600 students enrolled in it from all over the world, giving it 4.8 star rating. If you want to access that course, you can join that as well. I'm going to provide the link in the description box. It's free, and this is my shameless plug. See. But hey, why are you teaching when you're just starting to learn? Well, I'm teaching because it helps me remember better. The more effort that you put into it, the more memory retention you have. This week, I am trying to learn CSS. I've already managed to create a blog. It's not complete yet, but it's there somewhere and it looks yummy. Then December, my plan is to learn JavaScript. I am just planning to gobble up as much JavaScript as possible. But right now, some of my friends, engineer friends, are telling me to learn C and C++ first instead of going to JavaScript. Sounds like these friends of mine want me to learn ancient scrolls before I move to new shiny toys. I don't know, I'm confused. Again, so many languages and so little time. Damn it, anxiety. I'd really appreciate if someone can drop a proper guidance in the comment section. So see you guys next time, hopefully with more updates. So please hit the like button also, so I am motivated to learn coding and finish what I've started, and also make these idiotic tiny snippets of joy. Damn, anxiety. Anxiety.